Hello and welcome to this Wednesday upload. My name's Nicola. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back. So today we are heading, it's actually Friday today, and we are heading to a place called Jimmy's Farm. And I'm going with Holly and Poppy, my daughters. So the three of us are going to head off to Jimmy's Farm and have a really nice time. Apparently they have rescued 3 polar bears and a brown bear. So I can't wait to see them as well. But I went previously with Mark a while ago and I loved it so much there. So let's go and have a really nice day and hope that it doesn't rain. Right, we're here. We just had the computer system was kept going down, so they had trouble finding our tickets. First stop is tea and coffee for holes. Because we're gasping. It's a bit windy. Wish I put my hair up now. Capybaras. Isn't there a thing on TikTok about capybaras? We've got the bird food. Not bird food, animal food. Might be for birds as well though. I think it's just general. We're going to go and get a cup of tea. Now Poppy, I know you want to go on that bouncy pillow.
What? Oh yeah.
You'd have been straight on there, wouldn't you?
I think you have to pay for it.
I don't think so. I think it's just part of it, isn't it? Or maybe it's too wet to use it today. There you go. You and Holly. Meerkats. Where are they? And a tortoise. Oh, there's a meerkat over the back. Where's the tortoise? Oh,
look at them.
they're cute, aren't they? Yeah. Mum. Oh, look. It's not picking it up. Oh, there you go. You can see it now.
I love meerkats. They're my favourite.
Do you still like penguins as well?
Yeah.
Penguins and meerkats. They're cute, aren't they?
Oh, look at him.
Look at them just sitting there. That's a big tortoise. No, Artie won't get that big. Artie's a baby tortoise.
So you might need to give up your whole room.
You can't, yeah. He'd just have Holly's room. Can you hold that for me a minute, please? Thanks. I just want to show them. This is the guinea pig area. Look. Pig post. Got a church. And they've got Nibbles Bar and a whole castle. Yeah, but they're all indoors. Are they? Can you see them? Indoors.
No, I was looking at the polar bear.
Oh, polar bear? Yes. What? Oh, it's coming out. It's going to the bar.
Don't blame me. That's a nail bar actually. Oh, it's a
Nail bar. Let's get his nails done. His name's Holly. Oh no, it's come out again. Let's go to church. Feels religious. Where are you going? It's looking for food.
Do you see that sign at the church? Whoever keeps praying for rain, we're impressed. Now pray for vegetables.
Now pray for lots of carrots. Oh look, another one's coming out.
Quick.
Run! Lovely colours. Oh, they're so cute.
They must all be the same gender, otherwise they'll just keep on reproducing.
Well, yeah, but then they can sell them, I guess, or just have them here. I guess they'd control that, wouldn't they? They found some good grass there, look. Cute. Monkeys.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly.
You're fat.
Oh, don't chat shame.
Oh, the little babies! Wipe my hand.
Aww. Little babies.
No.
Throw some to the ones at the back, Pop.
Where?
Right there.
That's it. I'll eat them off the floor. Oh, no fighting.
Oh my god, that was all over my hand.
just snot on
Give
you.
it some to the baby.
Oh, the little baby!
Oh, does the baby get crushed? Please cut this arm.
Are you glad you started this, Pops?
Yeah, I'll give it to you.
Whoever.
Look at the little baby.
This one, look.
Oh,
That'll be a yes. Oh, on his head. Look at him. Are you starved?
Yeah.
Just imagine you're fed quite well.
Look, I'll throw them. Look, ready?
give some more to the CB. Give some more to the CB.
Sheepy
Where?
wants some.
Oh,
Mr.
sheep's right
Mr.
next-
Cameroon sheep
Here you go. Oh, the wind just...
took it. Oh, is she?
Oh, look, the other
Oh,
one's coming.
God, Jesus.
She's pregnant too.
There's some more in the next pen as well. Oh, lovely. Head. We said we'd never seen like a gingerish coloured donkey. You're very pretty, aren't you? Are you a pretty donkey? We have fed him, don't worry. Poppy's just washing her hands. You're lovely. Has he got like a bald patch on his head? Look, Holly.
Yeah.
Bit of alopecia. Hey, have you?
Right, ready?
Yep. Let's go. Next one.
I've washed my hands.
Well done.
I'll get some more food first.
Yeah, we'll buy some more. Oh, the pillow's open. The bouncy pillow.
I said that earlier.
Oh, didn't hear. All right. Through the undergrowth.
Yeah.
Thank you. Ready? Mind the puddle.
Might get it done before I go away.
Okay. Oh, look, look, look. Oh, I keep steaming up. It's so annoying because it's so pretty in here. Hang on.
It's going to feel freezing when we go back outside.
I know. Flutterby, flutterby, flutterby. Woo, flutterby.
Got my finger.
Oh.
It's too hot.
Right, we're going in the reptile house. That's going to be hot as well. I couldn't film much in that one because it kept steaming up. Dinosaur fossils. It's a snake. What sort of snake is it? A royal python. Do you remember that? In America when we went to Disney, the Jungle Cruise, she said it's a python.
Right in the...
Another python.
Right in
Oh
the
yeah, in the, I see it sticking its head out. Look. Hello.
He's sticking his head.
Hello.
Oh, that's cute.
I'm here.
Let's go this way.
Okay. What's this way then? Hasn't Colchester Zoo got a pancake tortoise?
Do they?
Yeah.
There's two. There's one sticking its head out the front.
And then there's a lizard at the back.
They ate one of the goats.
Rest in peace, goat. That is a flat tortoise. Hello.
Very cool. It doesn't look real, does it?
No, it looks like an animatronic.
That's crazy.
It is like a dinosaur, isn't it?
Well, it is.
Well,
I know, but like it's weird, isn't it, to see like a dinosaur type creature in our lifetime.
he's smiling.
That's one big crocodile.
It's not that big.
He's
Big enough for me. Oh, he's under the heat lamp.
I used to stand here and read every single thing.
Oh, really?
You know so much about animals.
Look, he's got an injured tail. He's got a dolly on it.
Oh yeah, I didn't see that.
She held on to it and put it.
Look at his tongue hanging out.
Yeah, he's like it.
He's like, get away. Go on, Holes, make me press penny.
Oh, I forgot how difficult it is.
And then we've got to do Gary C's trick at the end, where you have to, right, put it on there and hold it flat and then it doesn't bend up. That's Gary C's trick, and it works. And it's still bowed. Look.
You still be able to stick it in scrapbook, no?
Yeah. Thank you, Pops. Jimmy's Farm and Wildlife Park. I know, but we haven't got anything. Sorry. Should have bought 2 boxes.
Yeah, they eat grass.
Oh yeah, pick some grass for him. Pick some grass for the baby. Oh, it's gone now.
They eat grass. You've had some. Put that tongue away.
That's it. That's how they eat.
What?
Having a wee. Well, they don't have to do it.
Where's the baby?
Baby's sniffing the wee. That's so cute. Hello. Yeah, his voice isn't broke. You can hear some little ones over there as well. Tiny. They're curled
They
up.
eat grass. I didn't just poison them.
No, they eat
Why they're odd
grass. That sheep just nudged the little baby out of the way. Bully.
Oh wait, that little baby.
Yeah.
Oh.
They're all curled up. Look. Oh, trying to keep warm. We found the bear. He is in the pool bit. Always having a lovely time. Look how tiny this piglet is. It is so tiny. We think it's come out of here, where its brothers and sisters are, but it's just wandering around. Look, it's so tiny. Do you? They look like a bit like giant rats, don't they? Oh, splash!
Look.
Splash! Where's he gone?
Oh, I didn't know that they could come through here. Hello, traffic flappers.
It's a bit muddy, isn't it?
Duck. Duck.
That's your duck, is it?
No, that's duck.
Oh, that's the sign for duck. They're doing Mackerton signs all around, aren't they? Can you hear the noise they're making?
I love them.
That's a really weird noise, isn't it?
No, it's cute.
Right, we've finished up at the farm now. I'm on my own in the car because Holly bought her car and Poppy's gone back with her. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed this trip to Jimmy's farm. We had a really nice time. It was lovely seeing the polar bears and the bear. They're all in the water having a splash around, like not together, obviously in separate enclosures. I love going to see animals and I love spending time with my girls, so it was a win-win. We just had our picnic, but it was really, really windy. Like, it's not enjoyable when it's like that because you're trying to hold on to everything and not let it blow away. But anyway, I really enjoyed Jimmy's farm. If you're in the area, go and give it a look. But I would say parts of it are not accessible for your scooter, so just bear that in mind if you're coming with a mobility scooter. Unless you've got like an off-road scooter, then you'll be fine. So just keep that in mind. Anyway, give it a thumbs up if you haven't done already. Subscribe for future videos and leave me a nice comment, and I shall see you all on Saturday for the weekly. Take care. Bye.